Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. We have a very special video for you guys today. One of the coolest videos I've definitely done on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. But we're going to show you, if you remember me standing on a ladder, the difference in motion separation between an inner spring and a memory foam. We got really lucky and we actually have a Tempur-Pedic versus an inner spring mattress where we're dropping appliances from north of 40 to even 50 feet in the air onto mattresses to show you the difference between motion separation between an inner spring and a memory foam mattress. I have a quick little example here. Here's a 30-pound weight, and you'll see on an inner spring mattress how much it's going to drop, and you'll probably see my water bottle fall. So you see how it kind of jumped up about a foot there? We were actually dropping microwaves on mattresses, and they were getting severe air time. So let me show you an example of a memory foam really quick. So really quick, you saw the example of an inner spring mattress. I also want to show you the difference between memory foam and in fact this is a Tempur-Pedic, so it's the best material in the world as far as motion separation. So you'll see here 30-pound weight, and it barely went up like 2 inches. So we didn't think that was going to happen when we did this video. We thought we were going to see mass destruction on these appliances, but really it was pretty cool. They braced impact on the memory foam and they sprung like crazy on the inner spring. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. It was really fun, and I'll see you guys next week. Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King, the most extreme edition I've ever done. You can see that the camera's shaking because my mattress Prince is probably a little scared. I'd say we're probably about 40-50 feet in the air. You see that cute little mattress down there? We're going to see what happens when we drop appliances on inner spring and memory foam mattresses. So check it out, and if this is my last video, I love you all. Clear! Ready? Clear!
Go.
Ready?
There we go. What's the result, Bowie?
That is not what I expected, but that was pretty cool. Let's go see that slow-mo. Round two, if you saw the first one, it's pretty cool. We want to go a little higher and see what happens. So we're going to do a microwave, and then we're going to do a printer, and hopefully we'll get you some cool slow-mo action.
Ready? Stand clear! Got it?
Yep. Yeah, it's very obvious that this is an inner spring mattress, and that's why it's shooting up in the air. I thought maybe that we'd see more damage, but pretty cool.
Ready?
Alright, well, same thing.
I'm a little higher this time.
Yeah, we're going to go higher, and we're going to get some memory foam on there, so let's go. Round three. Peter, my mattress Prince, apparently wanted to go as high as this thing could go, so apparently we're about 65 feet in the air. So we can see 525. I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty scared. Alright, so we're going to throw another microwave, but this time it's going to be a memory foam, and hopefully it absorbs the impact. But we'll see. Let's check this out. Ready, Pete?
Yeah. Ready? Clear!
That is exactly what I expected. You see how on the inner springs it launched in the air? On this guy, it probably only jumped about a foot. That was pretty cool. So I think we figured out how this is going to work. It's pretty cool.
Clear! Go.
Well, that bounced a little more than I expected, but I think because it's more oblong than anything, and it impacted and kind of jumped. But oh yeah, baby, this printer.
Clear!
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Whoops, I missed on that one, guys. Impact of asphalt, as you can see, will destroy things. Okay, well, Pete's gonna have to put the camera down because we're moving a mini fridge on. Hey, by the way, is there like a beer in there or something?
No, there's not.
Okay, well, we're gonna try to throw it on this Tempur-Pedic mattress down here and see what happens. Hopefully it braces the impact, because my last mistake is a little bit of cleanup, so I'm gonna have to do some more cleanup if I miss. So,
Okay.
you ready, Pete?
Camera's going down.
Camera's going down. Let's go. Well, I missed again. That was Pete's fault, my mattress prints. You know, the printer had a bunch of ink in it. That was a dumb idea. And then apparently this had glass shelves, so can't wait to clean all this up, because there's no budget for cleanup crew in this awesome YouTube channel. So see you guys next week. Don't feel safe.
Is he still going?
I can't tell.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
No. Whoops.